Okay, hey y'all, I'm coming to you all today with an unboxing of my O-Cedar Spin Mop and Bucket set. Guys, this was like having Christmas here in April, okay? This is something that I have been wanting for a minute since I have been seeing so many reviews and people using this thing, and I said I just got to get one and try it for myself. So I got myself one, and y'all, I am just so happy. So I'm showing you guys what the little mop head thing looks like. That is the holder of the little mop head, and it only one mop head comes with that set. Now you can buy separate ones, but it's only one come with the set, so I was fine with just that. So I'm going to take it on out the package, and I wanted to show you exactly what this thing looks like and everything. So I'm putting it up into the camera so you guys can really get a good look at this, because if you want to purchase one of these, you'll just about know by watching this video how to set it up. Okay, so you want to go ahead and put that thing on there. Make sure you don't get none of the mop little fraggles inside of the little snap, and you want to make sure that it snaps. So in this thing, I show you how it snaps, and I just shake it to make sure that it's not coming off. Now I'm going to get the handle, and I'm going to show you exactly how that works. I'm sorry guys that I got out of the frame a little bit, but I was getting kind of like, what is it I supposed to be doing here? And I want to make sure that I showed you exactly what I was doing. All right, so I go ahead and I screw that on, okay, and make sure that it's on there nice and tight. And then like the pole part of the stick, you have to adjust it to the size that you want it to be. So here I'm showing you exactly what the top part of the pole looks like, all the way down to the other part. And now I believe I was screwing it in place or adjusting the handle or how it's supposed to be. So guys, I'm sorry that I did get out of frame there. But with this part, I'm showing you exactly how that thing twists and you pull up on the other part, because you want to make sure you got it all together right, okay? And then once you pulls up, I think you twist it, and then it looks like that, okay? So now I'm about to use my system, so I'm going with some Fabuloso. And guys, I didn't realize that I poured a lot, but I did, and I'm trying that hot water trick. So I got a pot and poured some hot water in it. So now here it goes, y'all. It took me a while to kind of like get used to this thing. You might even see me put that inside of that spinner, and I was almost about to fall. Guys, it was funny, but yeah, I almost lost my balance there pushing that. So that, yeah, it's gonna take some little getting used to, especially if it's something you're not used to. And y'all have to excuse my bare feet, but honey, I am in my comfort zone and mopping my floor. This is something that I do all the time. I just like to be barefooted, mopping the floor. So I'm getting in areas that, hey, I wasn't really able to get into with a regular mop. This mop is thin enough and thick enough to where it reach into those areas. Now I put it on back in there and spin it, because I wanted to see that effect that they said that it can just about have your floor almost about halfway. You know, it don't have a lot of water on the floor. And guys, that comes with the spinning. You have to spin it to get that effect, okay? I found that out the hard way. But yeah, it took a little bit of trial and error, guys, but it really wasn't that hard to get together. Now here on this next clip, I wanted to show you guys how my water looked but my dumb self wasn't filming, okay? So that's what happened with that. But this is the rinsing water, because I went back over the floor, and this is what I picked up after rinsing, you know, running more water into the bucket and rinsing it. There was soap still on the floor, so I'm glad I really did this. And I throw it in the wash machine.